Hello Emma, it's Saturday, and today I'm going to take my own advice and do a video ranting about something I feel passionate about, and that is free.
Falling from a tree, screams like a headline.
Did you like that? I was bored and fiddling about with Google Earth, and that seemed like a good thing to put together. It's still very rough and ready, but I reckon I can create something good with it given some time. So yes, anyway, free. I'm a student. Free is a price point that I like a lot, but it's not really free as in zero price that I'm going to talk about today, although that is an aspect of it. It's free as in freedom. The inspiration for this video came from the Vlogbrothers video during their Viacom suit series of videos, where John was talking about the fact that Jonathan Coulton's videos are all released under the Creative Commons license. Now, I was already aware of Creative Commons because I am a bit of a nerd on free stuff, but it was after that I went and actually looked to see just how much stuff there was released under it, and it's absolutely huge. I mean, for a start, Wikipedia is under the Creative Commons license. You can do whatever you want with the information that's on there. Not only is it free for you to read and to use, you are also free to take that information, put it on your own website, as long as you attribute where you took it from and allow anyone to carry on sharing and editing what you do. You can use it for whatever purpose you want. And this, I know I am a nerd, but this is something that's quite exciting for me. I like this ability to share, change, update, and constantly evolve a piece of work through several. It can be different people trying to do different things with it, and it just makes me very excited that people are putting all this work in and then just releasing it onto the internet for anybody to look at. There's works of literature, music, sound. There's software, although software doesn't tend to come under Creative Commons. If you're going to release it like that, it's more normal to put it under one of the open source licenses. The GNU, GPL being probably the most famous of those. But it's just a point. Every piece of software I'm using in the chain of making this video, I'm recording it using Kino, I'm editing it using Kdenlive, all running on Ubuntu Linux. When I've done it, I will test my video out in VLC Media Player. It's all free open source software. You can download it for free. You can also download the source code. You can change the source code how you want if you need it to match up to your expectations, and then you just release it back out there for people to do what they want with, whether it's just use your improvements or take your improvements, work on them some more, different improvements, and just improve the software in general. That people have put the work in and they're not expecting you to pay them. They'll just release it out there, and if you want to improve it, that's all well and good. Just release the improvements as well and let other people keep changing it. And it means that effectively there's thousands of people capable of editing everything. I'm not quite sure if I have a point to this video. It's just I genuinely am excited by the amount of stuff that's out there. I mean, in the little intro I've recorded for this, the song playing over that, it's called Whole Wide Hole by The Gold State, and it's released again under a Creative Commons license that all it requires is that I attribute it in the doobly-doo, and that I share on any change that I do with it, and I can do what I want with it. So I've slapped it in that video because I thought it fitted what I was trying to get there, and it's all good. I mean, I've not exactly made anything good with it, but it's the principle that anyone who is more artistically inclined than me can take that song, take other songs under similar licenses, create mixes. It works. And there's literature released under the Creative Commons license, there's everything. And yeah, I like free.